All right, this set of notes is going to be about linear pairs. And our essential question is going to be, how do I use the properties of linear pairs to solve problems? And our property of linear pairs, the little star here, is linear pairs are supplementary, which means measures add up to 180. Okay. So let's take a look at an example problem here. Now, in a previous video, we went into a lot of detail to solve a problem. And we're going to go a little less detail this time, because this problem is a little more complicated. Let's take a look at it. Okay, let's see. Okay. In this case, we've got 75 degrees and 2x minus 5 degrees. So, we're going to have our statements. And over here, our reasons. Okay. So, first thing we're going to say is that 2x minus 5 equals 75. Now we're skipping, first of all, if we had names for these angles, we would say, well, this angle is, and this angle are a linear pair, and our reason is that it's given in the diagram, and then we might say, well, they must be supplementary, because linear pairs are supplementary, and then we'd say that their measures are equal, and our reason for that would be that's the definition of supplementary, and then finally we would substitute 2x minus 5 and 75 for our values. Okay. Oh, what am I doing here? Totally off my rocker here. What am I doing? Equals 180. Oh my goodness. Hope you weren't writing in pen. All right, so 2x plus 5 plus 75 equals 180. Geez. Okay. So then finally I would say, well, 75 plus 2x minus 5 equals 180. All right, so we're just going to put as our reason linear pair. All right, I'm full star here, right? You know you can fill in all the blanks. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to combine negative 5 and 75 to make 70. All right, now right here's a note. Combine like terms. Next, we're going to take 70 away from each side. So that'll give me 2x equals, let's see, 110. And here we did subtraction property. And then next we've got, let's see, we're going to divide by 2. And that's going to finally give us x equals 55. And our reasoning for that is we divided by 2, so it's the division. Oops, getting a little off the screen there. Division property. Okay. So just to review, we just set up our equation. We kind of skipped a bunch of steps there. So I set up our equation, 2x minus 5 plus 75 equals 180, because these two angles have to add up to 180 because they are supplementary, because they're a linear pair. And then we combine like terms. We combine the negative 5 and the 75 to get positive 70. And then we used the subtraction property. We subtracted 70 from both sides. 180 became 110, and 2x plus 70 became just 2x. And then we used the division property to divide on both sides by 2. And then we ended up 110 divided by 2 is 55. 2x divided by 2 is just x. We get x equals 55. We've solved the problem. There you go.